In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export your emails from Zoho Mail. Whether you're backing up your communications or simply tidying up, I'm here to guide you through every step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Let's begin by logging into your Zoho Mail account. If you're like most of us, you've probably got your credentials saved, so it's just a matter of a couple of clicks to enter. But if you need to type them in, make sure you do so with care to avoid any login hiccups. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which is the gateway to all your settings. Go ahead and click on it. You're now in the Mail Settings area, which is filled with a variety of options to tailor your Zoho email experience. Our focus today is on the Import-Export Emails section, so scroll down gently until you locate it. It's quite intuitive, and you should have no trouble finding what you need. Once you're in the Import-Export section, let's zero in on the Export area. This part of the settings is your toolkit for transferring those emails out of Zoho. You'll want to decide which folder you intend to export. It could be your inbox, where most of your incoming mails reside, or perhaps your sent folder if you're prioritizing messages you've dispatched. Make your selection thoughtfully, as this determines the content you'll be moving. Next, there's an optional step that can help refine your export. You can choose a specific date range, which is particularly handy if you're only interested in emails from a certain period. This way, you avoid exporting more data than you need. Ensuring everything aligns with your preferences, click on Export. It's a straightforward process, and Zoho will promptly begin the compilation of your selected folder. Zoho will craft this export into a zip file for convenience, containing individual email messages in the .eml format. This is a widely accepted format and should serve you well regardless of your future needs. Once the file is ready, be on the lookout for an email containing the download link. Zoho sends this right to your inbox as a way to notify you that everything is all set for retrieval. And there you have it, a simple, methodical way to export your valuable emails from Zoho Mail. Armed with this knowledge, you're prepared to back up your emails securely or save them elsewhere to keep your inbox neat and tidy. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy managing your emails with newfound ease.